Good afternoon. We are on the roof for claim 07865383132. It is September 12th, approximately 12:40 p.m. It's around 82 degrees outside. I've been contracted to perform some repairs to this insured's roof. We are on the left slope. We have a wind damaged shingle right here. I'm going to be documenting the replacement of this shingle. In order to do that, I need to remove the shingle's nails and manipulate the two rows above it. Tools we'll be using are the standard roof snake as well as a roofer's hatchet. We will document any issues as they arise, such as fracturing, hinging, breaking, creasing, mat transference, things of that nature as we go along, and the video will be accompanied with photos at the end. Oh, I lost my hat. Let me fix that just so I can block the shade. Here we go. All right, let's get started. I'm going to use the tail end of my hatchet to lift up the above shingle to get the nails out. I'm going to do as carefully as I can, considering we are on a 12 pitch. We're not going to manipulate these any more than we have to. First row should be out. Moving to the second. I'm hearing and seeing some granules fall off as I get these nails out. Again, we are not lifting these shingles any higher than we have to. Thankfully, the nails seem to be coming out pretty easy. That should be it, and it is, so we're good there. We'll be replacing this with a standard 30-year laminate. Width looks good, exposure as well. Seeing some fracturing on the shingle above. We'll get close-up photos as soon as I finish this to show you. Oh, my hat fell. In case you caught that on the camera. First row of nails is in, moving to the second. One more, the corner. All right, repair has been completed. All right, let me show you what we're working with. As you can see above, we've got creasing and fracturing. They're in the manipulation process of just getting the nails out. So in an attempt to repair one damaged shingle, we have effectively damaged 1, 2, and a third over on the left there. This would be deemed a failed attempt, as we would not be able to warranty this work. we would kindly ask you reconsider the repairability aspect of this claim so that we can bring the insured back to pre-loss conditions. Like I said, this video will be accompanied by close-up photos so you can see the collateral damage costs. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.